Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how I have made over $1,000 through Rev.com. So if you're interested in this kind of content, do stay tuned and watch this whole video. Okay, so guys, I have legitimately made over $1,000 through Rev.com, and I'm going to show you how. But firstly, I'm just going to talk about the earning potentials that you have through Rev.com. You can make an average of $50 a day, $250 weekly, and even up to $1,000 monthly. I have done this and I've got the proof. So what you're looking at right now is my PayPal. This is just a screenshot of my PayPal account. This is what I have made from Rev.com. So you can see you can make an average of $100 every week, and you can even make more than $100 every week. Like I have shown you here, you've got the potential to make $50 daily, $250 weekly, hence $1,000 or even more monthly. So guys, before we go far, do make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. On this channel I make videos on how to make money online. So in this video I'm going to be telling you what you need to know to get a job at Rev, how to get that job at Rev.com. So I'm going to be talking about what Rev.com is all about, what you need to get hired, how you get paid, and how to apply. So let's just jump right into the Rev.com website, and I will show you what Rev is all about. So Rev is an online company that offers transcription opportunities to freelancers. It offers you the opportunity to make money from anywhere in the world by just typing what you hear. It's as simple as that, guys. You type what you hear and you have the potential to make over $1,000 every month. If you are good at it, you will make more. So guys, no jokes, no tricks, no fluff. This is just what it is. It's an opportunity that you can actually utilize to make money online. I have been paid, I have done it, I've gone through the process, and I am currently making money through this platform. So if you want to find out how you can get started, please watch this video all the way to the end, and you will be on your way to making money like I am online through Rev.com. So guys, to get hired by Rev, all you need are three things, and that's a stable internet connection, a laptop or desktop, your time, and your effort. That's all you need, and you don't need to pay anything. It's absolutely free. So you can make up to $1,000 without having to invest anything to make the $1,000. Or maybe the only investment that you need to make is your time, as well as putting a little bit of effort into that. So once you have been hired by Rev, you are going to get paid weekly on Mondays through PayPal. Guys, when I talk about efficiency, I'm referring to Rev. They pay you on time and they pay you everything that they owe you. So Rev is a very good platform to make money. It's an easy way to make money if you're just getting started on trying to make money online. And well, if you need a little bit of money to pay that extra bill, Rev is the right place to get started. So this is a screenshot of my PayPal. I have been paid by Rev. So obviously I have been doing some withdrawals of my money, but I have made at least $100 every week. On average, I make $100 every week. I could make more, but I have a full-time job that I go to, so I can only manage to make an extra $100 a week. So guys, for those people who are in Africa or Asia, $100 is quite something. It makes a huge difference. So guys, now let's talk about how to apply to Rev. It's very simple. We're just going to head back to the Rev website and I'll show you how you can do that. So guys, for you to apply to Rev, what you need to do is to obviously be on their website, which is rev.com, and then what you need to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then you click here where it says become a freelancer. When you click that, you'll be redirected here, a page where you need to fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, and the position for which you're applying for, and the country from which you are applying from. So guys, one important thing that I forgot to mention is that this is an opportunity that is a worldwide opportunity. So you can basically do this transcription job from anywhere in the world. Okay, you can be in Africa, Europe, Asia, America, whatever, anywhere. And then here where it says position, you are going to click the transcriptionist option because that's what we are talking about here. For those of you who are curious to know what is the difference, a transcriptionist basically converts audio to text. So you listen to an audio and you type what you hear from the audio, and then a captioner, you convert a video to text. So basically you watch a video and you type what is being said by the people in the video. And just a quick side note guys, this is what I was talking about when I was saying that Rev pays you weekly. Okay, so that is every Monday and it pays on time and it is dependable. I have done this and I have made over $1,000 through Rev.com. Okay, so once you're done filling in your information here, you're going to click next and then you will be redirected to a page where you will take a test. I do have a video, in fact I have 3 videos that I have done on the style and grammar test as well as the audio test. So do check that out on my channel and watch those videos when you're ready to take the test. But that's a little bit about how you can get started with Rev and make over $1,000 through transcription. If you want to find out more, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and I'll definitely share more with you. If you have any questions, please do comment in the description box. I'll be very much happy to share any information that you would want to know about Rev. Alright, thank you guys and see you in the next one.